Hey, what's going on, guys? We just got back from Dirty Diamond Diggers up in New York, finding some Herkimer diamonds. It was an amazing trip. Normally, I do all vertical recording. We did some horizontal recording while we were out there. Make sure y'all check out the video, hit that thumbs up, hit that follow button, show some support, make a comment, and let me know what you guys think about the video. Appreciate you guys.
What I've learned is like to put it on.
There's a lot near the surface too. It's weird.
Any of your neighbors decided to dig in their yards yet?
A lot of them tried.
Yeah, not and haven't found anything?
Nope.
Shit. I was thinking this whole area had it, so this is the lucky. Oh, you just pulled that out?
How to help you out, bro? I'm widening your hole for you. You're going the wrong way. We got to keep going.
This guy right here,
Oh, look at that one.
clear one.
Yeah, that joint is super clear. Look at that.
I don't know which ones do you want to find? The colorful ones or clear ones?
I don't know, but I like that. That's pretty dope. I like these clear ones. And it's sharp too. Look at that. Like.
Look at me out here, whip it.
Oh, look, it's still coming out. Look at that.
Boy, you ain't even here to record. Nah, just kidding.
Oh, look, it stops right there. Look at that, there's another one down there. Oh, there's another one right there too.
Wait, don't take it out yet.
Oh, damn. Small one. Little baby one. Oh, look at that.
Boy, is that a nugget now?
Yeah.
Oh, nugget, bro. It's a nugget crystal. Crystal nugget.
He's a fool. Trying to be careful. Oh, that's a nice one. A little clear one. One of them's cracked up. Here you go.
Yeah. Well, you had to find it now.
If you had some fish in here, you'd be able to see every fish that you catch.
Shit. You'd be able to watch the lure work and everything.
Exactly. Man.
Bro.
That's nice. That's sweet.
That's a sick piece. T-Rex light in there.
Yeah. That is.
That's a nice piece.
It even has like its own little stand and everything.
Oh yeah.
It's like a crystal